From black to red, a rose has a rose. From the ground, a mortal grows. Like water to ice, death and life, it ebbs and flows beyond the clouds where ashes blows. Eternity beyond the stars and laws of Mars, of Cronus and Kairos, no time is froze. From the darkness, progress ascends, the light of faith and prosperity evolves. Chuppy or La to the evolution of darkness to Amun Ra. Lambs and daffodils give grace to spring. May the magnolia branch dance and let the goldfinch sing. From the dawn of time to the present moment, an act sublime, an occurrence as archaic as the Book of Kells, to the freshest of water, blessed from the holiest of wells. Be assured the green man to be the Svengali at the embryo and the pulse of every plan.